Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you my GoPro Hero 8 Black. Not sure if you can see this screen or not, but got caught in the rain on my motorcycle, and I was using my Ulanzi case, and apparently water uh, got in, got into the camera, and now it's basically unusable. The front screen, you can see the water bubble here in the front, and then the back doesn't really turn on anymore, and as well as it doesn't charge. So, you know, normally you would just have this on, and this is supposed to seal it. You do have this little gap here, but I guess that still keeps it waterproof when you use the regular door for the camera. But in my case, I was using this Ulanzi case because I had the microphone adapter, and pretty much just push it in. It holds it nicely in place. Then you put your door on, which does have this rubber piece right here, which I believe is supposed to attempt to seal it. You can see it snaps on, and then you push it in. Another thing to be careful of too is when you use this Ulanzi case, when you put it in, you feel like it's snapped into place, but you actually have to push it a little harder, and then it's in. So I believe before I was making a mistake of pushing it in, and it wasn't completely connected, and then you do feel like a little click, and that lets you know that it's actually in. But now when you look at this, you do have this rubber piece that was sticking out that kind of seals it in. But I guess what happened was water must have still seeped in to here and got inside, because when I did take this take this off, the card was a little wet, so obviously some water got into it. So since I was on the highway riding, I couldn't really stop until I got to the first underpass. And typical Florida weather, it just was a downpour. So until I got to an underpass, and I checked out the camera by, I was going to take it off and put it in my saddlebag. But when I looked at the screen, it wasn't working, and there was nothing on the front, and it wouldn't power up. So I was like, oh boy. And I only had this camera for a month, and I bought it from Walmart, and I got their extended service plan, but their extended service plan doesn't start until 90 days, um, and after before 90 days, you have to go back to the manufacturer, which of course is GoPro. So hopefully they'll help me out, since it's a brand new camera, and it's clearly my fault. Um, because I should have just taken it off, because it looked like it was going to rain, but I thought I could make it, and obviously I didn't. And I don't have the GoPro Plus plan, or whatever they call it, which you can just replace your camera no matter what happens if you drop it or whatever. So although I got the Walmart extended service plan, I'm probably going to end up getting the GoPro Plus plan, since, like I said, I only had camera a month, and I've already broken it. So it's a great camera. I'm taking some pretty good videos. Still trying to get used to it, um, and just learning a lot. But anyway, if you do use these Ulanzi cases and you're going to be around water, or you're going to get, you think you're going to, get caught with rain or anything like that, if you can pull over safely and store your camera, um, because this is, it's really not going to keep water from getting on the inside. And maybe you could even see, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like even a little gap in between here. Um, but anyway, again, if you're going to use this Ulanzi case, and it's a great case to hold the external mic, so there's nothing wrong with the case. It's just that I just so happened to get caught in rain, and it seeped inside, the battery compartment, and water obviously got inside the camera. So, it's no telling. It may not have even been this. Maybe I didn't have this plugged all the way in. Who knows? But in any case, you're gonna get, hit with rain, or have this near any kind of water where it can get, sprayed with water. Just, be careful, be safe. These cameras are pretty expensive, and you don't want to have to be buying them again. So anyway, so I'll have to talk to GoPro, and hopefully they help me out. Anyway, that's all I want to say, guys. So take care, ride safe.